Hello, my name is Larissa and I'm teaching high heels, strip plastica and exotic pole dance classes in Danceaholic Dance Studio. Welcome to our channel. Many students asking me, how can I learn how to walk on a high heels, how to dance on a high heels? I see many profiles of the girls on Instagram and Facebook and they're all dancing so good, they're so flexible. I can never be like them. But you don't need to be like them. What do you need is to be yourself, to dance your own way, your own rhythm, and most important, enjoy your progress. In our channel you will find a lot of videos with tutorials how to walk, dance and combine the moves. And if you have never tried high heels, this video is for you. And today we're going to talk about shoes, because of course you think and you want to ask what kind of shoes I need to put on, what kind of shoes I need to buy. So I have for you 3 examples which is normally we using for our dance classes. So first variation, it's a typical daily stiletto, in which you're going out to restaurant, to nightclub. I'm sure that every girl and woman have the stiletto in her dress room. So these shoes is good. They have a high heel, but the little problem, so they're not really bending, they're not soft, so they're hard. And maybe some moves it will be not comfortable to do for you. But for beginning, it's very good variation for you. And second one, this is famous Latin dance shoes. They're very good because they're specially made for dancing. They can have a height of the heel different from 5 centimeters and higher. And what is important about them, they're very, very soft. So you can dance, you can turn, and what is important, you can go to the floor. And most important what you can do, you can point your toes, which is very important when you're dancing and very beautiful. So this is Latin dance shoes. And the last variation, of course, is my favorite, pleasers. So pleasers, they're made specially to dance with exotic pole dance, but lately we use them for high heels or strip plastica when we are working on the floor. So they also depend of height of the plateau. It starts from 4 centimeters and higher. And of course the heels. They're very comfortable because you have a plateau, you stay stable, you can have a balance. And that part of silicone or leather is also take your foot and ankle very good, and you can really good move in them. And the plata help you a lot to work on the floor. So you see, they're really working shoes. I work in them a lot. So this is the last variation. So that was a video about shoes. Now you know what kind of shoes you need to wear and what kind of shoes you need to buy if you want to really learn how to dance on the heels. And if you enjoyed our video, please like it, leave your comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications about our new videos. Ciao, ciao!